Hello, mathematics lovers. I'm talking to you, relaxing on the couch, didn't brush my hair, didn't shave. Rather interesting, you'll notice that my three-part series regarding where do the clock hands meet, you will see that for method 2, there are two versions among the shorts and among the longer videos. You might ask the obvious question, why is it two of that particular method, of method 2? The reason is when I recorded methods 1, 2, and 3, by complete chance, no other reason than it just happened that way, method 2 was shorter than 3 minutes. So what that means is when I uploaded, methods 1 and 3 automatically go with the videos, and method 2 will automatically go in the shorts columns. That's good in the sense that shorts often get more views. But the problem is it's confusing. You're looking at the menu of videos, you see method 1, method 3. Where's the method 2? Because logically you'd see 1, 2, and 3 together. So what I did is I took that method 2 and I just added on with an editor a sign saying, thank you for watching, the question's finished, we appreciate you, whatever. And I extended it to just over 3 minutes. The actual mathematics we explained is absolutely identical, except the other one has a sign saying thank you, thanking all the viewers. And the only difference is that's a longer version, so that my videos look more logical. You'll see method 1, method 2, method 3. And now we get the best of both worlds, because the one with the shorts, arguably more people are going to watch it, and the one that's with the other videos, it's together. That's 1, 2, and 3 together. So there's no harm done. And the only difference is one's got an extra piece thanking viewers. So that's why there are two method 2s, one with the shorts and one with the regular videos.